Alright, in this tutorial we'll discuss the associative property of numbers. When adding or multiplying numbers, you can group them to make it easier to do these operations. The order in which you group the numbers does not matter. This is the associative property of addition and multiplication. Let's look at examples. Let's say we have 3 plus 4 plus 5. We can group these numbers anyhow. We can start by grouping these two, then becomes 7 plus 5, which is equal to 12. You can also start by grouping these two. And then what do we have? We have 3 plus 9. We're still getting 12. Remember, addition is commutative. We can also bring 5 this side. So you say 3 plus 5 plus 4. We group these and then say 8 plus 4. We're still getting the same answer. So with the associative property, we can group the numbers anyhow. Even with multiplication, we can do the same thing. We can group the numbers anyhow. Let's look at this. 12 times 10 times 4. Right, if you find it easy to multiply 12 and 10 first, we can do that. We can say this is 12 times 10. We group this, then times 4. We're going to say 120 times 4. Then 120 times 4 is 480. We can also say let's start by multiplying 10 and 4. It becomes 12 times 40. Then 12 times 40 is what? 480. So this is the associative property of numbers.